Hello friends, today we will do the concept of class 10th chapter 8 exercise 8.3. We will use these results, remember them. Sin 90 minus a is equal to cos a. Sin 90 minus a is equal to cos a. Similarly, cos 90 minus a is equal to sin a. Sin is changed into cos, cos is changed into sin. Tan 90 minus a is equal to cot a, cot 90 minus a is equal to tan a. Secant 90 minus a is equal to cosecant a, cosecant 90 minus a is equal to secant a. Sin changed into cos, cos into sin. Tan into cot, cot into tan. Secant into cosecant, cosecant into secant. These 6 results are here, but if you learn these 3, sin, tan and secant, then you can learn 3 others also. Like secant became cosecant, same like in last 3 letter you can see. Tan, cot, sin, cos already related to each other. So my first question is evaluate sin 18 upon cos 72. Now you will see how will we evaluate. Whenever you see this type of question, you will do the sum of these two. 18 plus 72. What are they making? 90. Always they will make 90 if two angles are there. So I can change one angle to make it same. So 18 I can write 90 minus 72. Sin I kept same. Denominator also I kept same. But 18 I can write 90 minus 72. From this I can say 90 minus 72. Sin 90 minus 72 means what is A here? A is your 72. According to your first result, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Theta means A here. But here your A is 72. So your result will change firstly sin into cos and with this one. What is here? 72. Denominator already same. So those will be cancelled. Your answer is 1. Clear? Second question is evaluate cos 48 minus sin 42. In this question also you will see whenever we will add 48 and 42 you will get 90. So I can change one to make same with other. I have written 48 is equal to 90 minus 42. We can write here because plus will become negative. 90 minus 48 minus sin 42 I kept same. Cos 90 minus a. See, cos 90 minus a is equal to sin a. Sin, you will see this is your sin. What is a in place of that? 42. It becomes sin 42 and this one also same. Both will be cancelled. So your answer is 0. Clear? In third question is show that tan 48, tan 23, tan 42, tan 67 is equal to 1. In this question you have to make left side is equal to 1. So firstly you will see that these are written in product. Without sign is there, so they are in product. So you will take those two numbers in bracket which are making 90 in addition. 48 and 42 I already added, they are making 90. So I kept them in one bracket and other one also I kept in one bracket because 67 and 23 are also making 90 degree. Now you know both are making 90. I will change one. So second I keep same. Now I can write to 48 90 minus 42. But this one same, this one also same. Similarly here I can write 90 minus 67. This one I kept same. So you know tan 90 minus a. Tan 90 minus a is your cot a. A is your 42. Tan 42 you know कि tan is the reverse of cot. In my previous video I discussed tan is the reciprocal of cot. So both will be cancelled. Similarly tan is changed into cot, cot 67. This one also. So they will be cancelled. Clear? Tan 90 minus A, cot A, and this I changed by taking its reciprocal. Both will be cancelled. So you are getting your right hand side, hence proved. Next one is show that cos 38 cos 52 minus sin 38 sin 52 is equal to 0. Yes, in my left side this is given, but this I have to make now 0. So you will see कि both 38 and 52 are making 90. Their sum is 90 na? So I will change any one from these two. But see here, if I change any one from these two, but they will not cancel because it will come into sine into cos. So they will not cancel. But here you will see, if I change both, if I changed to both, then they will get the same result. See, I have written cos 38 to cos 90 minus 52, and cos 52 to I write cos 90 minus 38, because 90 minus 38 is 52, 90 minus 52 is 38, but this one I kept same. Clear? Now you know cos 90 minus A is your sin A, cos 90 minus A is your sin A. So these are also same, no problem if I take it same, because 3 into 2 is 6, 2 into 3 is 6. You know na कि multiplication is commutative. So those are same, so they will cancel. You are getting 0. I hope you are getting. Next example is, if tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18, where 2a is acute angle, find a. Here you will see कि tan and cot are here. Your motive is to find a. So I will change. You know कि tan is making relation with cot. Tan is making relation with cot. So I will change. Tan I can write it cot 90 minus 2a. Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. This is same. So I kept right side same. So both will be cancelled. Why I have shifted tan to cot? Because I have to remove. So you can change it also here. Means you can make it tan, but because of complicated function, you have to change the sign whenever you will open. So that's why I changed to tan. Clear? But the answer will be same if you change cot into tan. So these will be cancelled. 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. So I take left side only without a and this side with a. Then 108 is equal to 3a. Divide them. 36 is your value of a. So this is the answer. Next is secant 4a is equal to cosecant a minus 20 degree. 4a is acute angle. Find a. Acute angle you know whose value is less than 90, but it doesn't matter to us now here. You know secant and cosecant are also making a relation. Cosecant and secant also. So I can change it into 1. I know कि I will change it secant to cosecant. Why? Because this is complicated function. So cosecant 90 minus theta is your secant theta, and I kept it same. Cosecant will be cancelled. 90 with 20 and 4a with a I have shifted. So I got a is 22 degree. Next question is, if tan a is equal to cot b, prove that a plus b is equal to 90 degree. Clear? You know कि tan a and cot b are making a relation. You can change it into 1. I have written to tan cot 90 minus theta. Cot 90 minus theta is your tan theta. So that's why I have written, because I have to cancel cot. You will change to any one. So because they are not working, we have to cancel. चाहे आप इसको चेंज कर लो चाहे इसको, दोनों को सेम बना के कैंसिल ही तो करनी है. So 90 minus a is equal to b. Minus a will shifted here. So from this only you will get your full. No need to take left and right separately. From this only you will get the full proof. Clear? Next question is very important question. express sin 67 plus cos 75 in terms of trigonometric रेशो ऑफ एंगल्स बिटवीन 0 एंड 45 डिग्री। जी क्या है, आपको ये वाला जो फंक्शन दे रखा है उसके एंगल्स इन दोनों के इन बिटवीन होने चाहिए। इन बिटवीन मतलब 0 से बड़ा और 45 से लेस, लेकिन ये दोनों वैल्यूज़ 45 से ज़्यादा है। बट यू नो द प्रॉपर्टीज़, सो आई कैन राइट साइन 90 माइनस 23, क्योंकि 90 में से अगर 23 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दे वो 67 ही बन रहा है। Similarly here cos 19 minus 15 is 75. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. It doesn't matter to us कि यहाँ पे क्या है, just हमें एंगल्स को इन बिटवीन लेके आना था। I shifted. Both angles are less than 45 and greater than 0. Clear? Next is, if A, B and C are the interior angles of triangle ABC, then show that this result. From your given statement you have cleared कि these are angles of triangle. So we know that by angle sum property sum of angles of triangle is 180. Now you have to make this relation. Clear? So according to question, you know in left hand side you want only B plus C. So I will shift A in that side. Clear? So what I will get, B plus C is equal to 180 minus A. Now I will divide by 2. Why I will divide by 2? Because in left hand side, what do you want? 2 here in denominator. You want 2 in denominator. So I kept 2, but I have to take it on both sides. So it will become B plus C by 2. And whenever I will divide here, it will become 80 by 2 is 90 minus A by 2. Means I take it separately. It will be cancelled, but it will remain same. So what I am doing? You are thinking I am trying to make left hand side. Automatically right hand side will become. Now I will take sine on both sides. Firstly I have taken B plus C, then divide by 2. Then I want sine on both sides to make it left hand side. Then I take sine on both sides, because if I am taking anything on left, then I have to take same operation on right also. So I have taken here also. Clear? If division I have done, then I have taken both sides. So it will keep it same because this is your left hand side. But see here, sine 90 minus theta. This is 90. This is your theta. This is cos theta. So this is the result that you want to prove here. See, so hence proved. We will started from angle sum property. I hope you are getting easy to get, but by practice it can be done easily.